Hey everyone, I'm David Finz, and on this episode of the Cyber Insurance Imperative, I want to take a moment to talk about my new book. When I first wrote the Cyber Insurance Imperative in 2020, the ransomware epidemic was just kicking into high gear. Many small and mid-sized businesses were starting to consider the coverage for the first time, and the market was beginning to harden. Well, 2.5 years later, a lot has changed. The war in Ukraine has at once sidelined some threat actors and brought the issue of state-sponsored cyber attacks to the foreground. Underwriters have gotten savvy and selective. Premiums have spiked, and companies have been focusing on cybersecurity like never before. The fact is, while there has been some indication of improvement in the take-up rate for cyber insurance, the majority of small and mid-sized businesses still do not buy the coverage. Some of the myths about cyber insurance still persist: that small businesses don't need it because they're not really a target, that cyber insurance doesn't pay claims, and that cyber insurance itself fueled the proliferation of ransomware. I wanted to address these misconceptions in greater detail, and I also wanted to get into some of the nuances around claims handling that apply to cyber matters when coverage disputes arise. It was time for a second edition of the Cyber Insurance Imperative. This second edition has over 20 pages of new content. It's been updated to reflect the challenges in today's cyber risk landscape, and it even includes a glossary of commonly used terms, which draws generously from course material provided by the Cyber Insurance Academy. Now let's be clear about something. I won't be getting rich off the publishing of this book. If I'm lucky, the monthly royalties will be enough to pay for a Starbucks run for the missus and me. So why did I write it? Because I want businesses to have their information at their fingertips in a format that's easy to understand. This is for the client, the future client, even for the company that ends up becoming someone else's client. Because when you understand how to make your business insurable and how to make the most of your coverage, you help keep the product valuable and sustainable for everyone. You can purchase the Cyber Insurance Imperative Second Edition on Amazon. It's available on Kindle and in paperback. And if you'd like to learn more about how Alliant can help you find the more rewarding way to manage risk, you can DM me on LinkedIn or email me at david.fins@alliant.com. Thanks for watching.